how to turn your headlights from this into this. You don't need to remove the front grille to remove your headlight. You can always access it through down here, but as you can see, it's very tight. So I mean, just a couple of screws, the beauty cover up top, and it's literally a couple screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's it. Remember that when putting everything back together, these 2 bolts in the middle are metal, and they go on as so, but the outside ones are connected to plastic. Go easy on them. Once you remove all 4 bolts, then you're gonna pull it back and release the clips from the bottom. Don't be afraid to take it off. You're gonna grab it from here or wherever you can best, and it's gonna be the point right here. And on the other side, just pull it back. Do one side at a time. This clip right here is gonna go right here. This clip right here is gonna go right there. Make sure to get your extensions to be able to reach. It's gonna be this bolt right here. If you come right here, I have my ratchet, electric ratchet, which you can use a regular ratchet. Have a little extender and the extended 10. I'm gonna come right under here, take off this clip, and that's gonna be the bolt you have to remove. Oh yeah, don't forget about the locking. I'll show you how that works right now. This is how it's supposed to look like. It just goes in right here and locks it in place right here, like so, but mine's broken. You take off all these bolts. It's 3, 4, 5 bolts in total to reveal this back cover off, and then you'll have your lights. Here you can see this one's a 9012 and this one is a 9005. So you got to make sure you order your correct light bulbs. This is the 9012, and for the low beam and the high beam is a 9005. What I like to do first is just remove this one, which is the low beam, put it off to the side, grab your correct one, and then the same orientation, put it in, and then make sure it twists. Once it's twisted on there, then we can go ahead and disconnect it and connect it to the rightful place, like so. And then you have an extra bulb in case this one ever goes out. If you can't get this one out, you might want to disconnect it first to be able to get the bulb out. Now look at the difference between this one and look at the difference between this one. Just like that. Now you reverse the process and install it back on the truck. Remember, this is plastic, so you don't want the gun going all the way through. Just go at it nice and slow and just a tap. Before you install everything in, make sure to connect it and test it. There you go. After you're done with everything, you want to come inside and turn it on to see if you get any codes for the system for the headlights. My headlights are on. No codes. Now let's check it out outside. There you go. You can't really see it since it's daytime, but at nighttime I'll get a better shot. These used to be yellowish, the normal bulb. Now they're blue/white for the LEDs. It is now nighttime, and as you can see, the difference of the white headlight matching with the yellow fog lights. Even though this is a pavement princess, a lot better now.